Hello again, my smart friends. Welcome to Lesson 3. Today we'll learn the second half of the English alphabet, from N to Z. Let's begin. N says N, like in nest. Repeat, N, nest. O says aw, like in octopus. Repeat, O, octopus. P says P, like in pizza. Repeat, P, pizza. Q says qu, like in question. Repeat, Q, question. R says R, like in robot. Repeat, R, robot. S says S, like in snake. Repeat, S, snake. T says T, like in tiger. Repeat, T, tiger. U says U, like in uniform. Repeat, U, uniform. V says V, like in volcano. Repeat, V, volcano. W says W, like in window. Repeat, W, window. X sounds like X in the middle or end of words, like xylophone. Repeat, X, xylophone. Y says Y, like in yogurt. Repeat, Y, yogurt. Z says Z, like in zoo. Repeat, Z, zoo. Speaking practice, let's say all the letters from N to Z together and clear. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great. One more time. A little faster. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Challenge time. Can you think of a word that starts with the sound V? Here's a hint. V, volcano. Write your answer in the comments. Quick recap. Today we learned the alphabet from N to Z, new words for each letter, and practice pronunciation together. You did an amazing job. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time. Bye.